Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include leather seats, technology package, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. You are going to love the 2023 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.